Telit Cinterion is the global enabler of the intelligent edge. We provide complete IoT solutions made of IoT modules, connectivity services, and cloud platforms, or end-to-end solutions. We're a trusted partner in the industry, technology leaders, and deliver value to our customers by not only supporting them at the forefront of new technologies, but also throughout the entire life cycle of their IoT deployment. With IoT communication modules, we're providing the means for our customers to integrate, activate, and operate cellular connectivity in their devices, serving a host of IoT use cases, including routers and gateways. Now, in terms of technology, the medium data speed connectivity segment is currently well served by LTE. LTE Category 4 is the current well-established standard in this market, providing the right balance of coverage, performance, and price. Now, with the onset of 5G, and especially with standalone networks, 5G allows better quality of service, latencies, capacities, efficiencies, and enhanced security. However, early 5G from a device and modem perspective is catered primarily to enhanced mobile broadband and brings with it high levels of complexity, which might not be necessary for mid-speed use cases. So this is where RedCap comes in and serves the sweet spot of the IoT mid-speed market. Compared to existing LTE, RedCap will not only improve performance levels, especially in the uplink, which is key for router gateway applications, for instance, but it will also improve efficiencies, key for battery-operated devices such as cameras and telematics units. If device lifecycle longevity is the need, then RedCap is the very clear answer. Telit Cinterion has launched a family of RedCap modules covering both LGA modules with the FE910C04, pin-to-pin compatible with its LTE predecessors, and standard M.2 cards, form factor with the FN920C04, for seamless hardware integration into customers' applications. These modules will be dual mode, enabling 5G RedCap as well as the possibility to fall back to LTE Cat 4. This will allow our customers an easy and smooth transition from LTE to 5G RedCap right away and promise the best possible on-field connectivity. This product line sets the highest standards in terms of security and implementations. It'll enable embedded processing via Telit App Zone and be the ideal platform to tap into all of the Telit Cinterion value-added services and connectivity solutions. So the right solution if you're looking for an industrial-grade, ruggedized, bleeding-edge 5G IoT module that future-proofs your investments and deployments today.